Hello everyone, today I'm Ritika Kataria with my friend Yajat Gupta. I'm here to present the details of our idea. Our topic is system, improve system in rural areas using technology tools to bridge connectivity. Our innovation title is Vikas, Village Ingenious Connectivity Devices for Advancement towards Samparkta. We have chosen this theme because rural areas make up a large part of India. The country depends upon this area. Thus, developing these areas would lead to the country's overall welfare.
Let me introduce with the salient features of our idea. LoRa devices can be used to send data from one end to other. We can install LoRa devices at the government office present at the city and villages and connect them through Arduino and Node MCU. At both the places, there will be a display and keypad which will display all the text information sent from the office to village and vice versa.
The government will be able to send any text to villages regarding natural disasters, labor needs, new policies and schemes, commercial fare, recent actions, and much more. The village can also send the messages to the government regarding their problems and other issues. This will make the communication process faster.
Our solution will help the rural areas to know about the latest happenings. Villagers would also be able to send data to the government about problems faced by them.
We are mainly focusing on areas which deprive of fast communication modes. At many places, still, there is no internet available and people also deprived of information about the events occurring nearby. This will help as a faster mode of communication system and keep the people updated on daily basis and at a rapid rate. All people present in the area can use it.
We have used Arduino, Node MCU, LoRa low power high bandwidth bridge modules, display, and keypad. More components may be included in future according to the needs. For powering the devices, we will use solar power.
There will be two models, one with speakers, keypad and display. This will be installed at the offices and villages so that they can transfer messages. The other device will not have the peripherals and will be used just for transfer purposes.
Let us talk about our model in detail. A display, a keypad, and a speaker will be attached to Arduino and Node MCU. Arduino and Node MCU will be connected to the LoRa module, which will transmit the data using the antenna. The power source will be solar panel and backup power source will be batteries.
If we get selected in top 100, then we would make modifications in the device design, improve the communication, and make an application named Namaste so it can be used in other devices also. We will also add feature for voice messages.
Vitika has helped a lot in making this presentation. She has provided a helping hand in making the flowchart and the model specifications diagrams.
Rajat has been supportive and active. He has been backing and boosting the project. Thank you so much.
We hereby end this presentation.